Indonesian national anthem, which is sung for us. She was third placer at the 26th Metro Cebu Pop Music Festival and was a Texter's Choice awardee of the same Metro Cebu Pop Music Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Marian Luis Bosano.
Luis.
Di ka masisipir sa dagat at bundok, sa siboy, sa langit mo'y bughaw, ay lang ang lupa at langit sa paglayang binamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituing at araw niyang ikan, pamay di magdi